Can we get quiet on set? I've been doing this since I was 12. I'm like Dakota Fanning of the internet. Right now, you're finding me on the set of my cooking show, Feeding Starving Celebrities. The inspiration from my series came from necessity. I would be at home in my parents' house like, what am I supposed to film on YouTube today? Let me just cook a meal. And then I came out to LA and my friends were like, let's hang out. And I'm like, girl, y'all got record label money. I need to figure something out ASAP. So if y'all come over, we need to film. They're like, what are we gonna film? Us cooking. So then I cooked with Lil Nas X and Destin, Conrad. We were just supposed to go out that night. I needed some footage. That became like having a show now. If I could dream really big, my dream celebrity to have on the show would probably be Martha Stewart.
What are you guys cooking?
Whatever Martha says is about to happen, is what we gonna do.
Who are you obsessed with now?
Right now, I'm obsessed with my future self. Like, I'm obsessed with the woman that I feel myself becoming.
What are you listening to now?
Right now, I'm listening to Olivia Dean. When she got that Grammy, I like, did me a gospel step, I'll be honest.
What are you consuming online now?
My digital routine. I wake up in the morning and I go to the photos because that's not the internet, that's just me looking at my life. I'm a historian when I go into my photo app. Then I take it to a cute little message, not because I want to socialize, because I need to work, because it's America. We have bills to pay. And then I take it over to email. I take it over to X, dip my toe into the lake of fire, and then to clean myself off, I go to Instagram Reels and really get the truth of humanity. Woo! We need something else, we need something else. And then I pull out my Kindle Paperwhite and I read.
What are you wearing now?
For the fashion girls, because we are at the big HB, I'm wearing Prada Spring 2026. When you have a look like this, you really got to keep it here. You really got to keep it here. You can't do too much. You know, I'm a clown. I like to do a lot of cartwheels and stuff, but you can't do that in high fashion. My favorite brands right now, Chanel, Valentino, Prada, Tom Ford. I love Hader Ackerman. I also love dead stock things. I like brands where people can't buy from them anymore because I want to feel special all the time.
Who's influencing you right now?
I love a good Io. Like, Io is really one of my like inspirations. I respect what she's done so much in her career, and I love how she's carried herself throughout it all and the things that she's working on and how she began in comedy and then became like this character actor is really fun.
What are the challenges that content creators face in 2026?
No shade, I don't know. I've been doing this since I was 12. I'm like Dakota Fanning of the internet.
Which fellow creators are in your inner circle?
Lorraine. Lorraine is my best friend. That is my sister. That is my cousin. That is my brother. That is my husband. You can get so in your head about the ego of the entertainment industry, but you have a friend that's like, girl, shut up and twerk. Like, yes, that's what matters at the end of the day. And he reminds me, like, don't take things too seriously and just have fun. I think that's how we keep each other sane. Right now, I am loving wellness for my family. For Christmas, I got everyone private trainers and nutritionists. And so like, I really like to give my family the things that I've been able to see in this new environment. That's what I'm loving, is giving my found knowledge to the people who brought me here. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Mwah. Mommy loves you. Bye.